Okay, so here's the answers to your homework as we go through. We're going to do this fairly quickly. If you looked at your grade and you got a 20 out of 20, then you're good to go. You don't have to watch this. But if you missed one or two, or if you just didn't understand it, just pay attention. I'll go through a couple of these things real quickly with you. So in 1A, it says, how do you know that this is an appropriate probability model? Well, many people miss this. The point is they all add up to 1. If you add everything that's in your data set here, they all add up to 1. So that, plus that, all those together, that should equal 1 if you add them all together. That's how you know it's an appropriate probability model. Okay, part B. What is the probability of the TV remote being either in your dresser or in your freezer? So or means add. So 0.08 plus the 0.04. That gives you 0.12 or 12%. Okay? So what is the part C? What is the probability of the TV remote being in the bathroom? Or, again, you're going to add. First of all, the bathroom is 0.08. I'm going to change the color of this. 0.08 plus the couch. The couch cushions, C, would be 0.49. If you add those together, you get 0.57 or 57%. Okay, and D, what is the probability of the TV remote not being used? Not being used outside. Not being used outside. So it is being used outside 0.02. Okay, so not would mean 1 minus that. And that's how you get 98 or 0.98 or 98%. It will be used inside, okay, but it's not being used outside. The following probability model shows the percentage of each color marble in a bag. Okay, again, these should all add up to 1. So we can take 1 minus each of these to figure out what purple is. And if you do that, let's see. And don't forget, this is 0.3, not 0.03. On the key that we got, that was a mistake. And some of you actually put that in incorrectly as well. But it does say 0.3. So 1 minus 0.3 minus 0.45 minus 0.13 is going to equal 0.12. So part A is, what is the probability of choosing a purple marble? That'd be 0.12 or 12%. What is the probability of choosing a red, again, or, meaning plus, red is 0.3, not 0.03, 0.3, plus a blue, 0.13. That's not 0.16, that's 0.43, 43%. What is the probability of choosing something other than blue? That means everything but blue. So you could do 1 minus the probability of blue, and you'll get the same thing, or just add up all the other ones. So 1 minus 0.13 is going to be 0.87 or 87%. And the last question, some of you really made a mistake on this. The chances of getting a false positive in an athletic drug test is 3%. Explain what this probability means. That means out of 100 people tested, 3 will have a false positive. Okay, so 3 out of 100 will have a false positive. That's what it means. So you should have written that in sentence form somehow. All right, those are your answers. I'll send this out right away, and then we'll get work ready on Wednesday.